Okay, so there's going to be some word problems as well. So the product of three consecutive integers, n minus 1, n, and n plus 1 is negative 336. What are the integers? So the product of three consecutive integers means that we're multiplying them. So it'd be n minus 1 times n plus 1, and that's equal to negative 336. So now we have a quadratic. We have to go ahead and put this in standard form and then solve it. So I'm going to rewrite this. N minus 1 and plus 1 equals negative 336. I'm going to FOIL these two. So it's going to give me n squared plus n minus 1 equals negative 336. And then I'm going to distribute. Okay, notice those cancel. So then I'm going to have n cubed minus n equals negative 336. Now I'm going to set this equal to 0 by adding 336 to both sides. And I now have a polynomial. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug this into Desmos, where I'm going to find where it crosses the x-axis. So I have y equals, and again, you can use n or x, it doesn't matter. I have n cubed and minus n minus 336. Minus n. Now, it's only going to give me one of my solutions here. Okay. Oh, that's a plus. Okay, so it only gives me one answer. Why is that? Because it's three consecutive integers. That integer n is negative 7. I've got to add 1 to that and subtract 1 to that. So I got n is equal to negative 7. Well, what's n minus 1? That would be negative 7 minus 1, which is negative 8. What's n plus 1? That would be negative 6. And if I multiply negative 7 times negative 8 times negative 6, and I put that into the calculator, it does indeed equal negative 336. So I know that that is right. So again, you're multiplying it, you're setting it equal to 0. You're going to have a problem that looks like this: the volume, the width, the length, and the height. You may have to find like the width and the height based on one of the problems. But again, it's the same thing: x minus 2, x plus 3, okay, and it equals 61. So the easiest way to do this is to FOIL the two binomials. So you got x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals 61. Combine your middle terms, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 61. Distribute. So it's going to give you x cubed plus x squared minus 6x equals 61. Subtract 61. So there's my constant term, minus 61. And then I'm going to go to Desmos again and enter that in there. Y equals x cubed plus x squared minus 6x. Again, remember, it's only going to give you one answer. So it's where it crosses. So that would be the one answer there. Okay. And make sure my signs are right. Yes. Okay, so I got 4.098. It'll tell you to round to the nearest tenth or whatever. So if you get x is equal to 4.1, rounding to the nearest tenth, okay, 4.09, that 9 makes that become a 1. And then now I've got to do x minus 2 and x plus 3. So I do 4.1 minus 2, which is 2.1. And I do 4.1 plus 3, which is 7.1. So my answers are 4.1, 2.1, and 7.1. Okay, so again, set the equation up, multiply, set it equal to 0, find where it crosses the x-axis.